So we also have a second option as opposed to the Wi-Fi connected options to share this information with the customer. We also have a TreadManager application. What we're able to do with this web-based application is provide the specific detail to the customer in an email. They'll be provided a website link that the customer can simply click on and find additional specific information as to what's going on with their tires after the analysis is provided by the shop. So again, we have multiple options to share the information as to specifically what's happening with those tires with the customer. This is just simply one more option for the shop, so they have a number of ways to share the information on those tires with the customer.